Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We are back in the bathroom while we wait for our K truck and hear from whoever is shipping it. This should be the last demolition video. Let's do some research and see if there's an easier way to remove this than just hitting it with a hammer. Looks like we have two options. I can get a demolition hammer that looks a little too much, or a chisel, something more simple like that. I think it's called a drywall hammer. But anyways, let's go shopping. We are back from Home Depot. I ended up getting a mason chisel because when I was using our current pry bar, this angulation made it a little tricky when I was hitting the hammer on this end. So hopefully this straight one would be a little easier to use. Let's go try it out. The chisel and hammer is working pretty good. I'm going to get some real time of me actually working and not a time lapse. There's not much else to film besides getting all of the tile out. We should hopefully be ready for plumbing soon. Takes a little bit to get to the actual tile. But that's pretty much it. Video number 159 done.